Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today is the day that I'll get to weld my stainless steel exhaust pipe for the R32 Skyline. And I've been waiting for this moment. I got my welder and let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is remove the downpipe and then disconnect the wideband, the O2 sensor. And once I get that done, then I can proceed to the next step. Okay, so now I got the downpipe off, and I'm planning to cut the end of the flange. And I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, what the heck, right? Why would I want to destroy my HKS downpipe? I know, but I'm going to replace it with this V-band. This is a 3-inch, and I bought these off from Amazon, and I'll leave the information in the description and check it out. The qualities are pretty good, and it comes in 4, so I think I bought it for probably 40 bucks. Yeah, I may have to double check the price on that, but yeah. So I'm going to cut this end right here and weld the V-band. Finished tack, 3-point, one right here and both on each side. It has a little gap right here, so I'm going to have to fill it up. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to start welding, and hopefully I don't fail. I don't know, man. At first it was going pretty smooth until when I had to fill those gaps and made a big blob on it. So oh man, I don't know, but it's okay. I learn, and you make mistakes. Oh, look at that. That's so nasty. Oh my goodness. Check inside the pipe, and looks like it penetrates through all around it. So okay, looks okay. If I did anything wrong, please let me know. I'm just a beginner. What I have here are the 3-inch stainless steel. I bought these off an eBay, and it comes with 2 boxes. So it comes with the 48 inches long straight pipe and 45-degree angle and 90-degree angle. So hopefully with this it should complete my exhaust system. So this is the second V-band that I weld, and I took my time on it. I felt pretty good on it. I could use some more practice, but since this is my own car, so I'm okay with this. Okay, so right now I put the downpipe back on just for temporary. That way I'll know what to measure and cut. I already cut the additional piping, and it was hitting the chassis. So at this point, my plan is to add a partial of 45-degree angle, and then do a 90 partial straight, and then maybe add either a 90 or 45 to the opening with the sway bar is, to the diff, and maybe another 90. I'm not sure. So I'm not too sure what's going on back there, but once everything here is all taken care of and work my way out, and then I had a muffler that I want to install. So we see what happened. So I have this 45-degree angle pipe, and I already make the measurement that I need to cut. So from this point, it's coming from the down pipe. So once I got everything all set, and then make another measurement that I need to cut, and that point is going to connect to my 90-degree angle. So it's going to require a lot of cutting. So take the time, be patient, and make sure everything fit properly. So I'm not going to continue anymore because I had to meet up with a friend, and so I'm going to meet him at iTrack Motorsports. Hey, look at Jason. Are you ready? Huh? Come on, let's go see some drifting. Let's go. Hey, yeah, man, he's ready. Come here. Sing. Hey. Yo, yo, yo! What's up, Mark?
How's it going, dude?
How you doing, man?
Doing fun.
How you guys doing?
These fucking monster, man. Yeah, it scared the shit out of me earlier.
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna hit the wall. I'm like, holy shit.
Yo, yo! What's up? What's up, Drew? How you doing, man?
I'm good.
All right, all right, all right. Yeah, I saw you did a couple run down there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just got here too, so awesome.
It's an awesome day today. Wish I was driving.
Where's your car?
On the other side. On the other side.
Another side?
It's just a Corolla. It's not. I didn't take the RX-7.
Corolla 86?
No, it's a 2010 Corolla. I wish. Yeah, my workhorse.
It's all good. It's all good.
Wish I was drifting today, though.
Shy.
Scared.
Still a puppy. Come on. back from a drift event. It was fun, but it'd be funner if I was drifting. But it's okay. But I decided to stop by a Home Depot and pick up this cut-off saw that would to help me to speed up the process here. So nothing fancy, as long as it does the job. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this line here that I mark, and so that I can mark it up and figure out the second mark that I need to do. This is what I got so far. I cut 2 pieces and tack weld. It's not the best. I try my best to get a clean cut as possible and to make these pipe flush as possible. So there's like a few gaps here and there. So I think it's okay. I'm going to mark it up to the downpipe, make sure that everything is all correct to the position that I want, and then at the end of this pipe I'm going to add the V-band. I just got done welding the exhaust pipe together, and I don't know what's going on with the welder. It's been funny, and I just don't feel good about it. I'm sure it's an operator error. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it has to do with the setting. And on this side right here, it's not too bad. It's not the greatest, but it's just okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install this pipe to the downpipe. I decided to go ahead and weld this V-band. Yeah, I'm losing sunlight right now too, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, and then finish the rest tomorrow.
The next day.
I just got done cutting the flange off this muffler. This is the HKS high power. It came off from an R32 GTR, and a good friend gave it to me, and he went all titanium, so he said I could just have it. So good friend. Yeah, so the diameter is 3.5, and as you can see I have a reducer to 3 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and weld it, and then once I'm done with that, I can figure out how many inches that I need to cut from the straight pipe to the other side of the pipe with the V-band. And yeah, it should be done here pretty soon here. There you have it. Pretty ghetto. But it's alright. Okay. Alright, so at this point I'm going to figure out the other section of the piece, and yeah, it should be done here. I already cut one of the 90-degree angle, cut like probably 4 inches, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the V-band in and weld it, and then somewhere in the center here, and cut it, and then I'm gonna have a little curve. That way on this side, that would be for the muffler. Okay, so I just finished welding the V-band to this 90-degree angle pipe, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mark it up. That way I can figure out the measurement that I need to cut. I just finished welding all these exhaust hanger, and right now I'm going to mark it up. So the muffler is on, and all the hangers they are out pretty. I'm going to have to cut this a little bit shorter because this is hitting the metal. Probably the same thing to the other side. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it on that side. So I'm going to have to go back and trim it half of that. Alright. Okay. So it's far for okay, so it's not interfering to the diff and the axle, so probably like if I can once I figure out the length of the pipe, then hopefully I can buy a little bit more clearance on the muffler here. All right, I just finished the last pipe and just got done welding, and so I also shorted these metal rods because I cut it a little bit too long, so I shorted by 2 inches, and then yeah, at this point, I just hope that, you know, everything fit accordingly. I mean, you know, I have everything all marked too, so hopefully we can able to start the car at this point. The exhaust is finally on, and I just realized that the muffler is off-centered, so I'm gonna have to fix that some other time. So at this point, ready to start the engine and do a couple of revving and see how this thing sound like. Yeah, sound like a RB to me. Oh man, I love it. It's not too loud, and right now it's a cold start too, so it sounds pretty badass. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is tuning, so I'm looking forward to that. So make sure, double check all my work, make sure everything is all tidy, everything, no leaks. That way I can get ready for the tuning. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you like this video, and if you do me a favor, press the like button, subscribe, and I see you guys next time.